What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Promise, aka Promise Teens, and I am back with another YouTube video. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm giving you guys some quick and easy straight hairstyles to do on your hair. I didn't talk in this video at all because these videos are pretty self-explanatory, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes love exception. So why
me told you where you at, huh? They don't wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, and then some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with a say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. Keep that booty, she keep that plump. Then that's a beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Till you see it back, yeah. Back, till you see it.
I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Lay out, stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Lay out, stutter till I die. just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?
That is it for this YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and my social medias will be down in the description box, and so will other videos of mine that you will like. And yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Peace.